So you shouldn't have to spend any money on this. For example, I got these out of some really old laptops that were given to me for free. And I'm sure if you had to spend money, they wouldn't cost very much. This USB part, I cut off a very old USB mouse. This battery pack was given to me, so I guess it's free, but I'm pretty sure whoever paid for this, or I know who paid for this, paid maybe $1 from one of those cheap stores. And you don't even need to use this. You could just plug into a normal USB thing to charge your phone. The boxes are free. If you have to pay for a cardboard box, there's something wrong with you. Yeah, you can do this for free. Except for the meat, of course, unless you have your own cow or you steal meat, but don't do that.
So,
I'm gonna make a beef jerky. We're gonna make a dryer out of a cardboard box and some old laptop fans. Everything is a ruler. That'd be good. Cool. Now let's do the other one. Alright, so here's the elaborate setup. I was gonna tape them in, but they just sit in. It doesn't need tape. And I was gonna leave a hole in the top for more airflow to get out, but it appears there is enough gap with it simply like this. So I have them running in series connected to this battery. I don't know how long it will last. This is the only kind of grid thing I could find in the house. So I got it set up on here on some long bamboo skewers, and I used the laptop screen frame to help it fit properly. It's pretty strong now. Doesn't need to be strong, but yeah, and I got a thing down the bottom to catch some juicy drips. And yeah, I got it underneath this, so it should suck out some of the smell, although I don't think the smell will be bad. Alrighty then, so we got 2 different flavors. Couldn't tell you what's in them because I can't remember. In the left corner, well, we have a darker one and a lighter one, so that's the easiest way to remember. But it looks like I'm running out of space, so maybe I can stick some. Commence the drying! We have begun. Alright, we're 6 and a bit hours in. There's still 3 lights remaining. I don't know if it'll last the night, but it looks like it might. Oh yeah, not looking too bad. Alright, they've been in for 28 hours. They're looking pretty dry. It doesn't look like your typical beef jerky. It kind of looks like a dried up piece of shit. I tried some, as you can tell, and they actually taste pretty good. This method compared to using low heat is that they actually stay quite juicy and soft, I found. Maybe it was just a cut of meat. But yeah, it worked, and I think I'm going to try some bigger pieces next time. Ow, I just hit my head on this. Thanks for watching.